Good morning, guys. So it is Easter weekend. I'm having my little coffee, and we're gonna start this vlog right here. We're gonna be prepping the backyard for Easter Sunday with the family, and I have some new stuff that I really want to share with you. I've been gone for a while, you guys, because your girl has been sick. If you follow me on Instagram, I was hospitalized for like 4 days. Long story short, I am feeling better, and I am glad to be back. But yeah, let's jump right into today's video. Sharing with you my newest obsession, the Inoviva Slushie Machine. You guys, if you follow me on Instagram, you already know that I shared this with you in a recipe, and I am obsessed. And everybody that comes into the house when I'm hosting is obsessed with it. This slushie machine is super versatile because it makes slushie. You also have an option for frappes, and you also have a milkshake option. And my favorite, the cocktail option. It's really hard to capture these buttons in the camera. There's also a wine and a self-clean option. So stay tuned so you guys can see the yummy drinks that I'm gonna be making today. On Saturday, me and the hubby started prepping the backyard so we could gather here with family on Easter Sunday. So I just went ahead and put the dining table in this area. I thought it would make more sense since we're gonna be spending a lot of time in this little area here. So I moved it here. I am still in the hunt for a new outdoor dining set. So hopefully by the summer, this place gets a whole refresh for the summer. But for now, let's work with what we have and make this welcoming for the family and close friends on Easter. So while I was finishing setting up the furniture and putting a little bit of decor and stuff, the hubby was handling the hard part of the yard. I wiped down all the furniture and blow it out, and I actually put the cushion covers to wash, the top ones, because they were a little bit dirty. But for the most part, I'm not adding a lot of decorations here, nothing crazy. Then I move into the outdoor kitchen to clean this area because it does collect so much dust, you guys. Saturday afternoon, after I cleaned, I went to get my nails done, and then in the evening we went to eat something, and when we came back, the kids put to sleep. I was getting ready to do their baskets. So I did Kaylin's baskets first, then I did Jaden and my nephew. And you guys, this year I kept it simple with the baskets, and I did get things that they really needed or that they will be really using. So I got this cute basket at Ross for the kids, and they were super affordable. I got them beach towels. I got Jaden his little Stanley cup. It's not a real Stanley, but it's cute, and he wanted it one. So he was so excited when he saw it. And then I got them a little outfit. You know, here's how they turned out. Morning, they wake up and they saw their baskets and they were ready to go for it. Jaden was so happy because he saw his Stanley cup. He was like, oh my god, I wanted one. It is not a real Stanley, you guys, but it is the simple things that matter. And honestly, they were super happy and excited, and that fills my heart with so much joy. So the kids play, we danced for a little bit. Jaden was like, Alexa, play holiday music. And guess what? We were dancing to Christmas music on Easter Day. Now let's set up for Easter brunch. The first thing I'm gonna do is take out my slushie machine and get it ready. I'm gonna wash it by hand because it was sitting outside. Machine is super simple to set up. Attach the missing barrel, place the bottle inside, secure the lid, and we're ready to make some yummy frozen drinks. You guys, I have been making so many yummy frozen drinks with this machine, but today I'm gonna be making Prosecco and guava, so it's gonna be giving me that frosé type of drink. I am super excited for this one because I've been craving guava drinks for the longest. So I pour everything in, I select the cocktail mode and let the machine do its thing. It takes about 15 to 30 minutes depending on the consistency you want. Then I move into making some salmon, some penne alla vodka pasta, because my mother is going to be bringing the rest of the food. So this was my part of the cooking. And honestly, my camera kept dying on me, you guys, and I couldn't record the step by step, but here how things were looking. I'm gonna add the final touches before I jump in the shower and get ready to welcome everyone. But the wind, you guys, was really trying me at this point. It was really blowing everything away. Then I added a little egg hunt sign to make it festive for the kids. And of course, I started hiding the eggs. And my frozen drink is ready. Look at that 360 rotating mixing blades. It really helps get a smooth, even texture. Oh my gosh, look at that consistency. It is perfect. It is restaurant quality, but made at home. And the best part, no need for ice cubes, so it doesn't get watered down. I love this. Cheers, guys. Clearly, I'm not the only one obsessed with this machine. Whether you're making margaritas, slushies, or milkshakes, this is a must-have this summer. If you want to grab one, check out the Amazon link in my description. You guys, that was it for today's vlog. With so many things happening in this world, just seeing the kids have so much fun, enjoying time with family and close friends, the simple things for me mean so much lately. I hope you guys have a happy Easter with your family. Love you all, and I will see you all on the next video. God bless.